welcome back to Pressure Crisp, everybody. Today we're going to be making sausage and peppers in the Ninja Speedi. We're going to be using the steam crisp function on it. This is the first time I'm doing it, so I hope it comes out. And I'm cheating. I already sliced and diced. This is one large onion, and I had a package of the tri-colored peppers. I cut them up, and they're about that wide, just like that. Let's just jump right in here. I do want to just spray the bottom with like 4 sprays of avocado oil in the bottom. And I'm going to take that one large onion, and this is like 3 small peppers. And I'm just going to like pick it up with my hands just to break it up. So they're like more into individual sized chunks. Now you could have done this ahead of time, but I'm just going to put some pepper on here. I'm making them just the same way that I would if I was doing it in the frying pan, or even using this function on sear saute. There's some black pepper. I use some Himalayan pink salt. And I might throw in just a little bit of granulated garlic. There you go. Just maybe like a 1/4 teaspoon of that. So I'm going to add 3/4 cup water. Now you want to use your tray, and you want to make sure the little legs are out. Place that right in there. And I have 3, these are Italian sausages. And I think they're not hot, they're mild. Because my friend who's staying with me cannot handle the heat. Sorry, I just like to say that. And we're going to put them on just like that. Go ahead and lower the lid. So go ahead and turn your Ninja Speedi on. And we're going to turn it over to the rapid cooker size. So we're going to turn the temp down to 345, and the time we're going to do 10 minutes. And you're just going to hit start. Right, so we have 3 minutes left on the clock. I do want to pop the top because I am curious. There we go. See how brown they're getting? I'm just curious to see if we should flip them. And I vote for flipping. There we go. Go ahead and lower the lid. So we've got 3 minutes left on the clock for these Italian sausages. So we have 10 seconds left on the clock. Let's see. Tick tock, tick tock. Tickety tock. 3, 2, 1, 0. Beep, beep, beep. Oh yeah. So yeah, we got a little bit of smokage there. These are definitely done. I'm going to take them out, put them on a plate. I've used my thermometer, but I need a new battery. Now, most important thing, what I'm curious about is the sausage and peppers, the onions and peppers. I'm curious to see if these are done. And me personally, no, they're not done enough for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. We are going to flip this over. You guys know how to do that. Flip that button over. We're going to go down to sear saute. And we're going to hit start. I have quite a bit of water in there, and yeah, I think they're done enough, but I wanted a little bit more brownage on them, I guess you want to say. Because I guess I expected a different look, because I'm used to cooking these in a pan. I have a nice brioche bun right here. We're going to warm this up in the foodie, and we're going to serve this. Or another thing that you could do is take this dish out and pour the water off, and then put the bowl back in to brown up the peppers and onions a bit more. So I'm going to be completely honest with you. It's taking forever for this moisture to cook off / evaporate out of there. It's been sauteing for 11 minutes now. So I'm just going to keep it going, but I am going to put back in the tray, push the little legs all the way in. What I'm going to do is just going to rest that right on top of there. And I'm going to take this brioche bun, just open it just a bit, because I don't want it brown, I just want this warmed up just a bit. So I'm just going to shut the cover and probably wait like 30 seconds. We're going to take that out, and we're going to make a sausage and pepper hoagie. Pick this up, it's been about 30 seconds. So it's steaming, be careful, use tongs. This is nice and moist. The bun is actually warm through. If you want some more, if you want it brown, you can actually go ahead and air fry it. So I'm going to take this out. This works better, even though it's metal. Place that in there. Give this another stir. I'm going to go ahead and shut this off because I'm actually If I don't use all those if I don't use all those onions and peppers, I'm going to save these. I actually save this for pizza topping. So we got a Italian sausage. I keep saying brat, but it's not a brat. Let's do that taste test. This is good. It's real good. So the cook time is 10 minutes. It probably takes like another 10 or 15 to come up to pressure. Although it's pretty quick on that one. You can have sausage, peppers, and onions in probably like less than 30 minutes. Yeah, fantastic. Thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned for more vids. Yeah. Thumbs up, Willis. I got that on video.